Lesson 46.
Sie.
Lisa, in the last lesson, we talked about the pronoun that means he, which is and you mentioned that it can mean he, but if you're referring to a masculine noun, you would also use that same pronoun. And so it can translate into English as it. Is it the same for this pronoun, sie?
It is. So to give you some examples, sie could be used for die Frau, which is a woman, and we could also use it for example, die Nacht. The article die shows you this is a feminine noun, so if you want to substitute it with a pronoun, you would use sie for die Nacht, the night.
Die Nacht ist kalt.
Sie ist kalt.
So we're saying the night is cold, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then to say it is cold, referring back to the night, you have to use the feminine pronoun because the word Nacht is feminine. So in this way, the feminine pronoun sie can translate into English as it if you're using it to refer to an inanimate object. So Lisa, this is a great thing that you've brought up here, this concept that since nouns in German have gender, we can refer back to them with these gendered pronouns, whereas in English, our nouns do not have gender. So anytime in English we refer to an inanimate object, we will always use the pronoun it, which is neuter. Although on rare occasion in English, we do refer to inanimate objects as he or she. It's very rare though. Sometimes you hear it with ships. Like the captain of a ship will refer to the ship with a female pronoun. The captain might say, "This ship's been a great ship all these years. She's really seaworthy." You know, he'll use the word she to talk about a ship. But we don't do that very often.
Yes, in German you always have to decide, is the thing a he, a she, or an it? And this is where your vocabulary work comes in again, as we mentioned before, that you learn each noun with the article, so you will know which gender you are using and what pronoun to match with it.